The Kabbalists, they teach us one very important thing. They say that before HaKadosh Baruch Hu made his world, he made already different worlds and destroyed them. There's not that much information. What do we know about this? The Mekubalim explain that altogether there is 7 worlds. 7 worlds. Which number this world is? First, second, fifth, seventh. This world that we live in is the 7th world. 6 already destroyed. How many years each world would be? 7,000 years. 6,000 years connect the creation, 6 days of creation. Each day it's 1,000 years. And then it's Mashiach, resurrection of the dead, and the 7,000, it's a spiritual 7,000. So now we have 7 times 7, 49 years. And then in the end of the last world, which is now, we are in the end of the last world. We almost close to 6,000 now, the end of that. It will be what Ka'atem B'Shofar. It's going to be Shnat Yovel. Finally, it will be the salvation, the final salvation. So we are actually living in the most important generation from the 7 worlds combined. Think about it. From all the worlds. Now what happened to the people who lived in the other worlds? They are the animals that you see today. All the monkeys, the elephants, the dogs that you see. Those are the wicked people from the previous worlds that Hashem transferred them to be animals over here. So a lot of interesting things about it. It's all Kabbalah. So next time before you kick the dog, think again, maybe it was your brother one time. You know? Or like the kids, they take the cats from the tail and they go like this and like this and they smash the cat to the wall. They're bored. So how do you know maybe it was your mother in the previous world? Don't know.